Hello, dear friends. I'm so excited to share this next story with all of y'all. So, the title of the story is Throw the Baby Out of the Window. This happened when my second child was born, and my elder child was 2 years and 3 months. So, you can understand what a 2-year-old goes through when a second baby comes in their life. And my elder daughter was like, the day she came, initially few days she was fine. Then she realized mommy is always with the baby and she's not paying attention to me. And every time, particularly when she was under some stress or when she couldn't express what she's going through, she would say this line, "Mommy, throw the baby out of the window, you take me." Now what did I do in these times? It was quite simple. Yes, of course, I was also undergoing the stress of having 2 kids and learning how to handle both. Initially, I was a bit irritated, to be very frank, but I realized that she doesn't mean it. No child, and particularly no 2-year-old, would ever mean any harm to anybody else. And she definitely didn't mean that for her sister. But the thing was, she didn't realize that she's saying something that she's not meaning. But I realized that, and I just didn't react to it. What I did was, initially I didn't say anything. I would simply say, "Yes, baby, I understand what you're going through, but this is also my baby, you are also my baby, and I love you both." And she would still say, "Throw her out of the window." Then I realized that I need to say something positive about both. So then I used to say, "Oh, what a wonderful elder sister you are. You are helping me getting that diaper, you are helping me with little things." And every time I would appreciate, I realized that the frequency started reducing of her saying, "Throw the baby out of the window." And then I also used to get her to touch the baby, to feel the baby, so that she wouldn't feel that she's someone alien and that mommy has got her just because she doesn't want me anymore. And I would keep communicating to my child, both of them, that I want you both, and both are important for me in my life. And that's very important in a parent-child communication. We believe that children don't understand. What do they understand? But we need to keep talking and saying positive things to our children. And yes, of course, after a month or two, my elder one stopped saying all this. And forever. She completely forgot the fact that she even said that throw the baby out of the window. Even now, when I tell her the story, she's like, "I don't remember any of that." And I wouldn't ever want that for my sister because they have a great bond between each other. And such incidences, I'm sure a lot of parents go through where they don't know what is happening, where they have to struggle with the siblings and what goes on between them, and that the tribes that they keep having. At any point, it can erupt any time that they start arguing and bickering or fighting sometimes. But trust me, all of that is important. Children need to go through those negative experiences in order to understand that there is this circle that they have, and the people in their love, and in the people in their families and the people around them, who is important and to what extent they are important. And for them to understand that, they need to go through those struggles. And we as parents, what we can best do is to simply support them by communicating how much you respect them and love them. No matter whether they are behaving good or whether they are not behaving that good according to you, but you always communicate that you care for them, that you respect them and you love them. Thank you, dear friends, for viewing.